Hey, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So, I'm out here in nature. This is near my house. This is like the little river that we have in my area. And, you know, I just finished with school today and I washed my car and I decided to, just come out here by myself and just sit. I was just sitting right here before I, picked up my phone to record a video. But, I was just chilling, enjoying. The weather is so nice. It is so sunny, no clouds in the sky. It's warm. And, I just decided to come out here and, just chill by myself, enjoy some alone time, some me time. It's really nice. It's like a 5-minute walk from my car to here, and there's no people out here, so it's actually amazing. I love it. And yeah, there's some bottle caps for some reason, but I don't know. But it is amazing out here, bro. I love nature. You all know that I love nature, and it's just nice coming out here by yourself, sometimes just enjoying alone time. It is so nice. There's still like a road here and there, and yeah, there's an interesting tree. Let me go check it out. Yeah, there's like a big interesting tree. It is amazing what nature can do, though. You can hear the birds, singing. There's a car going there. So there is a road. I didn't know that. Ooh, look at this, bro. Damn, look at it, bro. It's beautiful. Damn, nature is amazing, bro. I love it. You hear the birds singing and everything. Oh, the trees, the flowers. Beautiful. I love it. Well, I just checked it out. It's just like a parking lot. But, bro, it's so nice coming out here. I haven't been here in a couple years. My phone storage keeps, getting full. And I can't even, just say what I want to say. But as I was saying, it's so nice coming out here in nature by yourself, running, working out, or just enjoying some time in nature. It is nice. It is lovely. Some people come out here, make a fireplace and everything. And it's just nice, But yeah, that's pretty much it. What I wanted to, say and make of today's video. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm doing, where I am. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment something down below, and I'm out. Peace.